Out our family. I'm recording, just so you know. Oh, cool! I actually got Zoom working on the video recorder now. Finally.
What?
I finally got Zoom working on video recorder. John, you know I don't mind having that on the phone.
Let me see. Let me see it down there. Can I see the camera from my maker? Freaking closer.
Look at that scenery. You don't see this unless you get out of the house more, I swear. Stop, Logan. Logan, stop. What'd you leave?
Well, that's the game room the last time. Just get a new one, right?
This is why we need teleporters. This is why they need to make teleporters, so we can go back and get shit without having to drive for 3 hours. True.
Yeah, but we've been driving for 3 hours.
We've been driving for over 9,000 hours.
Over 9,000!
Have I ever said how proud of you I am?
No?
Good.
Okay, yeah,
John.
John.
What? Oh, yeah.
He already knows. Oh, God, this is taking forever.
I still love you.
Dear God, don't sing! I'm recording, okay? This is going to YouTube!